What's up guys, back here with a new video. Gonna be a real quick one. We're just gonna go through the unboxing and review for the new RAF SIMONS Stan Smiths. Yeah, these are the newest versions. They've just re-released some colorways that were popular, and lucky for us we got the salmon colorway. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so around the box you don't get anything, just the shipping label. Opening up the packaging though, inside you get bubble wrap. Cool big bubble wrap though, check that out. Alright, then you got the shoes itself. The box is empty inside. Where's the receipt at? I guess it's inside the shoe box, I don't know. But check it out, you got the Adidas RAF SIMONS box, all black all over. Let's get some close-ups. Alright, before we go any further though, I want to give a shout out to my little sister. This is not my pair of shoes. She actually got this for her boyfriend. So hashtag girlfriend of the year, best gift award, I don't know. But shout outs to my little sister. Go ahead, check her out on Instagram. Alright, so around the box, as I said, you do get Adidas RAF SIMONS with the Originals logo. It's an all black box, nothing else on the sides or on the bottom. So it's real plain and simple, you know. Got that cool, clean, aesthetic look. Oh my gosh, my phone. Shoe size tag on the box, RS Stan Smith. The size, what is this, US? It says US 10, UK 9.5, you know, blah, blah, blah. Check out that colorway though. It's a charcoal, alright, I ain't gonna butcher the name. So y'all can go check that out yourself. Check that out. And you see on the Essence tag, it says pink RS Stan Smith. Going on the bottom, ooh, shiny bottom, check that out. Wow, you got this. I think these are extra laces if I'm not mistaken. Yes, they are extra laces. Nice, check that out. Let me pull this out real quick. Yeah, I got that little wax going on. Check that out, peep that out. Extra laces. I believe these are the same colors though that are on the extra that are on the pair right now. But these are in a black envelope. Let me put this back. Yeah, straight black envelope. And then you get the Adidas RAF SIMONS card, you know, that what is this? You know, the about the shoe, the color and stuff, or care, you know. So that is also on top of the box. Going to the item itself, check that out. The tag is already hanging out. You got Adidas RAF SIMONS again, Adidas RAF SIMONS on the back. Just the shoe size again. Yeah. Opening it though, check this out. Check this out. Yay. Sorry. All right, so. See, I don't really think this is the salmon colorway that was like super popular back then. But you know, it is in that pink shade that everybody likes. Let me check out the other pair. Hold on. They wrapped it seriously good, like as if it's wow. Alright, so okay, cool. Shiny box inside. I like that shiny going on right there. Nothing on the paper, that's it though. Put this on the side for now. Check that out, man. Shout outs. That is nice. This is really nice. Alright, let's work with the left pair. The newer releases actually got this design going on. Honestly, I'm not gonna sit here and act like I know what the heck is going on here. I don't know, so go ahead, let me know what this is all about. Leave it in the comments below, but it's cool. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Check it out. Besides that though, you got RAF SIMONS right there. And you got the Adidas, and you got that R, the infamous R, man. Both sides, check it out. That infamous R, that perforated holes of R's. You got Stan Smith on the back. You got the man RAF on the front tongue. Man, the tongue is slim tongue. Yep, the laces are the same as I said with the extra pair. They're a little bit of those wax laces. They got that wax look. Inside you got that white on black RAF SIMONS collage, his name with Adidas logo and Adidas going on. Sizing tag is going to be behind the tongue, but it's kind of hard to see, and I don't want to like go any further because as I said, this is not my pair. The bottom though, just a regular RAF. It's cool, man. Seriously, I don't know if this is a different type of leather that they use compared to the regular Stans, but I don't know. I don't even like this part in the inside, dude. The padded collar, dude, it's leather. Yeah, right here, all of this is leather. So yeah, I've never owned a pair of like Stan Smiths, so these are cool, man. These are actually pretty long, yo, for a size 10. If you check out the bottom of the shoe though, they look like eraser tops. You know, the top of a number 2 eraser. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh no, now they look like fish scales. But anyways, yeah, in person it looks like eraser tops. Again, shout out to my sister for letting me unbox the video, man. And Janelle, bro, shout out to you, bro. This is your pair right here. So I hope you don't mind me doing this, but this is dope. Oh, what the hell? Hold up. Oh yeah, shit. Okay, well on the right pair you got Stan Smith. Check that out. That's cool. And you got his signature, but that's cool. So Stan Smith and RAF on the front right there. Look at that, that's cool. All right, well, I guess that's it, guys. So yeah, real simple, quick video, really not long because there's not much to say about a simple shoe. It's really that R that makes the shoe. So it's so dope. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Stay tuned, I got a lot more videos coming soon. Holidays are coming, I'm excited for the releases. And yeah, I appreciate y'all for stopping by. All right, so my sister just came in the room and she said, what do you say?
Go a half size down.
Go a half size down. So your size, go a half size down. I believe what, Gina, was a 10.5?
Yeah.
This is a 10 right here. So go a half size down. Apparently you don't want the sides to get creased right here. As I said, this is a leather shoe, so it will crease easily. And designer shoes, for some reason, they're just always a half size, if not full size bigger. So yeah, is that all?
Yep.
Thank you. All right. All right, bye guys.